Hey, so check it out. Yeah, I picked up another one of these Lionel MPC era Atlantics. I've said before how much I like them. Like the looks of them, and they usually run really good. This one, the paint's pretty decent on it, but the bell was missing, so I got a replacement bell. Also, the rods, this one didn't have the drive rods that link the two wheels, so I found some on eBay and picked those up. They're pretty reasonable. I think I got them for like $3 plus shipping. And also, I had an extra sound of steam and whistle tender that I was going to use this locomotive for. I know the 8204 and the 8305 came with sound of steam and whistles. That's why I picked this particular locomotive. And the tender that came with it, the seller didn't think that the board was any good. Well, it was actually the little roller pickup back here and the wipers that are on it were all corroded. I cleaned up the copper, I cleaned up the roller pickup, and got it working pretty good. There's a little bit of leakage from the capacitors, but the board works, so I'm not going to monkey with it. So I cleaned up the wheels, and then I also had a missing, the front step, the bottom was broken. So I took a little piece of stearine and attached that and painted it, and now you can't even tell that it was ever broken off there. And I got some Baltimore and Ohio decals from K4. I think they were for a hopper or something, and I thought they might look pretty good on the tender. And so I'm running it with my Capitol Limited cars. That's why I got it, the baby Madisons that came out in the MPC era. It's the ones with the I Like Ike presidential car there in the observation car. And so I thought we'd take it for a spin. I'll just roll it back here. The thing I like too about these Atlantics is you can pick them up now pretty reasonable. And if you're patient, you can get them for $29, $30, even cheaper than that. Usually with a working board, and if you just take a little patience and clean it up. And don't forget to replace the missing foam that protects it from shorting out against the frame. That's job priority 1 before you even put power to it. But as I said, we've got this running pretty good. We got some mega steam down the stack. We're going to take it for a spin. Here we go. I like how mournful those MPC era whistles are. This one has a pretty decent smoke unit in it too. Some of them don't, but the last two that I've got have had really good smoke units in them. And we'll pick the camera up on this time around and follow it. There we go. And we'll put it back down. All right, got it working really good. I may eventually replace that pickup that originally came with it with one of the newer roller pickups that work a lot smoother. But for now, it's running good, so I'll just leave it alone. One thing I've noticed too is how loud the sound of steam units are in these, and that's because the speaker was mounted so it's pointed straight out. It's mounted right here in the top, where the earlier sound of steam, they were mounted on a little bracket inside. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.